So yesterday was the first Saturday of the month, and I went to the Charm City diecast collecting, I guess, sales and trade thing for the first time. I took some cars and I traded for a couple monster trucks. Nice. I got 3 monster trucks for, I don't know, I traded, like, I guess it was 3 Ferraris, a Lambo, a Buick Stalker, and I can't remember, maybe one other car, which, you know, I won't miss any of them cars, that's for sure. But I sure do like getting some monster trucks. Yeah, very nice. So, and I talked to a guy, so next month I think I might meet up with him. I'll take a bunch of other stuff up there and get me a bunch of die-cast monster trucks. He said he's got. It's going to bring him down from Jersey. That'll be sweet. So that's one thing I really don't have of new monster trucks. These are really nice here. I like that. I'm getting a few. That way I can at least start doing some modifications, also doing some body swaps, doing some stuff with them. Alright, just wanted to show you what I got yesterday. I picked up. They're nice and shiny. They won't be long going across that sand, gritty surface, crashing on it. I took that cork out of there. I prefer that sand, that grit. Let's see. I got this thing wired up, and now I just got to go next door to my neighbor and we got to program it now. So soon I'll have the timer and the track. Alrighty then. Again, Grandma and Grandpa says, see ya.